Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave. The display is the phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2020 Mazda BT-50 XT dual cab ute, stock reference number 6480. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 5th month 2020. It has a P5 AT, 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic four-wheel drive transmission. P5 AT, 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front. It's fitted with aftermarket ROH alloy mags, all with ball tyres. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has a large scrape dent down the bottom. Left rear 15-inch aftermarket alloy ROH mag, ball tyre. It's got a custom alloy tray. Right rear 15-inch alloy ROH mag, ball tyre. Right rear door 1 small dent, right front door 1 small dent. Right front 15-inch alloy mag, aftermarket ROH brand, ball tyre, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window, master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, auto gearbox, auto shifter, heater controls, factory Alpine sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster, and also 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.